Gently pull back the door gasket. Insert the screws into the holes behind the gasket. Place the handle on the outside of the glass door. Secure it with the 2 screws provided. Once powered on, the display will show the current ambient temperature. Press the temperature zone button to select the upper or lower compartment. Use the plus or minus button to set your desired temperature. Each press changes the temperature by 1 Fahrenheit. The upper zone ranges from 39 to 50 Fahrenheit, and the lower zone from 50 to 60 for Fahrenheit. Long press the minus button to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. When you open the door, the LED light turns on and you will hear a beep sound. When you close the door, the light turns off. You can also control the light using the light button. Press once to set the light to half brightness. When the door is closed, the LED light remains on. Press the button again to restore full brightness. Then the light will then turn off when the door is closed. For better energy efficiency, keep the lights off when not in use. If you notice frost or condensation build up, unplug the wine cooler and wipe the interior dry. If the wine cooler isn't cooling as expected, touch the side panel to check if it's warm. If it doesn't, please contact the after-sales service team.